from a vacation. Let's get to fucking work like humans were meant to do. We all know vacations are a scam, and I'm back, bitch. Alright, yo. Appreciate my boy, Brown Beef, 200 subscribers. Let's fucking keep this train going. I'm back with Bitcoin. I hate to do it, but I'm here. And I'm back with this MTF S&D order block. This indicator, I like it better than the other fucking one. The other one's caused me nothing but fucking problems, if you want me to be quite honest with you. That's been nothing but a headache, and you know what, man? That's how it goes these days. So, let's just say you're playing this 12-hour chart, okay? And you know, guys, I've had this red box. Everything's been here for quite some time. You could go back and watch my videos. This has truly been one of the slowest damn patterns that I've ever seen play out. Now, when you look at this, you can form a pretty tight range in the short to medium term, just using these order blocks. You know, these are levels to look for. I'm not gonna, that's a simple kind of deal there. Maybe you draw, a box. Maybe you narrow it down to a range. The reason I'm making this video is because I just see these people going back and forth. And I mean, I'm just here to provide a nice perspective on this for you. So, these are 12-hour order blocks. We like to see it. This is a bear flag structure, but these are the kind of ones that kind of hit you with that surprise. Like, I don't know, man. It's what the hell? It's like I don't know, man. I don't ever draw. When I draw a bear flag and I see it riding the top like this, that's pretty bad for like the bear. You want to see it coming and hitting the bottom, and for God's sakes, it hasn't hit the bottom in so long. And it leads you to believe, maybe, is there any significance to this trend line down here or not? I don't know, man. Maybe I drew the trend line on a one-day. I can't tell you. But what I can tell you is, let's just hide this for 1 second. Okay? Just hide that bastard out. Let's see. Fucking hide, dog. Yes, sir. And we'll hide you. We've seen these numbers for so long. They haven't been hit. I'm here to, look for something new, man. So here we are. You're looking at a $24,000, upside. Very possible. It wants to go up towards this bitch. And, you got a couple of, fair volume gaps down here. I would expect them to hit this if the stock market took a beating. Now, what you really would, what I would look for, take it for what it's worth. It looks like that those 2 points would come together right there. I think that would be an appropriate long. This trend line, to be quite frank, no, I don't see the significance, you know what I mean? So sometimes you got to scrap the shit you got. You see a little triple bottom. I don't know, man. This is an ugly-ass chart. So for more inside scoop, I'm going to go look at the RSI. Now, this is the meat and the potatoes of the video today. So, I mean, this isn't really, this is when a pullback is starting to become due, in my opinion. And it's nobody's fault. It really is nobody's fault. But sometimes they're just due, man. I mean, this thing has been it's been hanging in tough, but I can't really give it any credit compared to like Apple or AMD. So, it's been tough road. The Ethereum people have definitely come away on top on this one. It's pretty crazy to see. I'll make a video about altcoins sometime soon. It's fascinating to see this shit. There you go. Does it hold? That's the major question that we're gonna have. I'm not seeing the bear flag structure that I like on the price, but this RSI is painting a pretty nice picture. And I'll be honest with you guys. We got the bearish divergence on the 12-hour chart on Bitcoin. Tough. It's a tough look for anyone, but you got to be just look at the shit in a subjective manner, for God's sakes. I see these people saying it's going to go to 100,000. Man, I don't know what to say, man. It just ain't really shit if you ask me. There's your bearish divergence right there. That's a good sign. Yeah, not. You know what I mean? So. Oh my good God, I'm a moron. That's what happens when you go on vacation. come back in your fucking numbskull. There you go. Got it there. Boom. You know what I mean? There's nothing you can do about that. It's happened. It's in the past. It's not going to let me move that up. Christ's sakes. But anyways, you know what I mean? You got that. You got this. This is the death of the average man trend line. That's what we call it. You know what I mean? So we're going to put that here. Maybe this will be the... There we go. Oh no, not this one again. There we go. That's it, folks. So you got the double down. You know, this is a little pullback. Could be due. But again, if this thing was to run up here and make a nice like high, like if this thing goes like this and runs up and beats this high over here, like if it beats this high, that's what's gonna. That would be the moment in which it would go. You would send it, you know, to like maybe $28,000, because that, you know, this is kind. I hate to say this, guys, but you can play the devil's advocate in the other way. Now let's back off of this real quick. Now I'm gonna play the bull case for you guys. Now, you know, this thing's kind of creating a triangle. You see this? And now if you break out of it, like if we, and this is the moment of truth, man. Like, if it breaks up like that, that's going to be a monster, like, little move there. Like, let's just give you only a little credit. And say it just breaks out like that far from here. Like, that would beat that number back there. And that's what would send it. That would be the scenario where you would see it run to, like, 28, 26. Something like that. I know a lot of people have high targets. I just don't want anyone to get caught in the mix here with some bullshit. You know what I mean? You want to see every perspective, and that's really just what I'm trying to do here, guys. It's a very pivotal moment for Bitcoin. If you were shorting this thing, the only advice that I could give you here is it's simple fundamentals. You know, you wait till it breaks down, comes back up, and then back down again, just like that. That's absolutely just simple fundamentals here. So then this isn't the short, really. This would be the short if it was to break down and get pounded by this line. This would be your short right there. And this one that we are currently on would just be another little bump in the road. Or no, this would actually be where it would break down. This would be the initial breakdown point. So maybe, you know, you make that one a different color. There you go. Whatever floats your boat, you know. This is not a price prediction video. This is a simple analysis. Please keep this trend line in the back of your head. This would be a short opportunity. And if we come out and just break up and beat this high, that would be the long opportunity. This is a macro analysis, bitch. I'm ET. Everyone, I know you're looking down, you see that like button. You hit it, you touch it, you fondle it. You curb stomp that subscribe button, boy. You know, you got to help the boy out here. You know, I'm offering this objective analysis. I got skin in the game, but I don't really care if this bitch goes up. So, you know, it's a refreshing point of view. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm ET, boy. Back acne, can't get rid of me. I'm out.